How much are their popcorn buckets?
Yeah, all popcorn buckets.
No, how much are they?
Zippers, I think, in there.
How much are they?
Cost me 10 for each.
Would you make a deal if I buy them all? Hello. Good, how are you? $40. That's good.
Oh, so
They're
cute.
40 a piece. They're 40. She got more? Okay.
Of course, we never just have a handful.
What is this thing? That's cool. No, I don't know what they are. Yeah.
They're all miniatures she made. So.
Oh, she makes those.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Channel she does.
She's a TikTok channel. She makes. My wife's about to become best friends with your wife. You see anyone that you? Jess, what about this one? For winter? What?
I love how those things feel.
Oh, droid. So she's bringing out more?
Yes.
Cool.
Yep.
Hi.
Hello.
We were admiring your miniatures.
Oh.
I heard you have a TikTok channel.
You're really, really good at these. I was like, I watched mini cooking, and this is very satisfying.
Oh, fun! Yeah, I do them on TikTok.
Oh yeah, this one's.
I didn't realize this one.
If there's any money in them, just leave the money. We'll be good. It'll pay for itself.
Not that, but
There you go.
thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning. How much is that?
Xbox?
Yes.
Daddy, how much you want to sell the Xbox for? I'll do 20.
20. Do you have any games and stuff for it?
I don't remember what games are. I think they wiped that one.
Do you have the controllers and all the stuff for it? Gotcha. Do you have any other video game stuff, or is that it?
That's the only one.
Okay. And then how much is that? 5. Here you go.
Oh, thanks, sir.
Yep, thank you. No, I bought the Xbox.
Oh, cool. Okay. All right, have a good day.
Yep, thank you.
Hey, thanks, man.
Yep, thank you. Wow, look at this house. Look at this setup, it's so cool. Big clown. It's just new? No. That scared me. That thing scared me. Yeah, it was that period to start talking to me.
Oh yeah. Both of us. Turn him off. He drives me crazy.
Oh.
He's talking with the wind going.
That's funny. How you doing today?
Good, how you doing?
Doing good.
That was us. We love them, but we don't know where to put them on. How much is it? What is that? $5.
How much are their popcorn buckets?
Yeah, all popcorn buckets.
No, how much are they?
Zippers, I think, in there.
How much are they?
Cost me 10 for each.
10 for each.
Thank you.
Would you make a deal if I buy them all? Do you 5 a piece if I buy them all?
We'll pick out, I mean, the whole, just
Yeah, I'm talking about like
whatever's coming in there.
Yeah.
5 each?
Yep, and I'll buy all your popcorn buckets.
All right.
All right.
How much do you like for
Let me
your
see, I
ears?
got a bigger.
Put that one back.
How much do you have on the ears?
She wants 5 for the ears. Okay,
Let's
so
just
load
do-
up and count as you go.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I'll just do all
9, 10,
Make sure you get the straws that go somewhere to somebody.
11, 12,
And that goes.
I'll just get
Is it a zipper? Do you want him?
13. Grab the Star Wars. 14.
There's a minion.
Yeah.
Or is that a minion? Yeah. A minion.
On the minion.
I don't know if it's
14, 15. What is this
Load
one?
up another bucket. You can even take
Okay.
the buckets too.
Is this popcorn? What is?
Is there's a top right? See the top
Oh yeah, there we go.
right there.
All right. So that's 16. She wants the ears.
Okay.
So can I get those ears? We were at 16 with those, right?
Correct.
Okay. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay.
All right, let's see if there's anything else. Do you guys have any more popcorn buckets or like what?
Disney stuff.
This yeah.
Okay. I think I'm okay on those.
I don't think there's any more languishing. There's a Walking Dead thing over there, big collection.
Okay.
I don't know if that's
Oh, those two are one.
Oh, okay. So that's 24 then?
24.
24. What is this?
It's like pins, I think.
Oh yeah. How much you have on that?
Okay.
How much is it?
$5.
Okay. Do you have any other pins? Pins, ears, popcorn buckets, lounge flies. This is fun. I'm gonna keep looking now. It's like a Disney treasure hunt. He said there's something Walking Dead over here.
There's this little salt shaker.
Oh my gosh.
So cute.
How much is the salt shaker?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Hold on a minute. Let me see.
Is there a pair?
I think she's gonna.
Oh, okay, cool. How much is the Walking Dead?
I'll ask her about that. I have no
Okay.
idea what that is.
Okay. Put it over here for right now.
Sure.
Do you know if this has like all the pieces to it?
Yeah, all the games should have all the.
I think Jalen would love
Oh my god, that'd be so much fun to play.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
I know.
That's like my favorite Disney movie is probably Haunted Mansion.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
and I like the remake and I like the original. They're completely different, but like they're good.
It's just the perfect thing.
Yeah. They have other stuff over here too, Jess.
Alright, that's great.
What's this? Pac-Man the board game? That's interesting.
Yeah, it was kind of cool.
These have the life packs, like Caribbean ones.
Oh,
The Yahtzee packs, like Caribbean ones.
oh, this would be cool.
Yeah, if it was up to me, I'd keep on it. But she's tired of it.
Yeah, I got you. Oh, I didn't see this. Talk about pudding. Oh, I was looking at the camera.
So do you have a shop or something that you?
I sell online stuff like that, but we're huge Disney people. So like,
okay.
we were over in the community next door doing garage sales over there, and one of the first ones we went to we ended up buying like 5 or 6 lounge flies and stuff. So like, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, we got them like really cheap, so it's
Hey,
nice.
This is a way to get stuff,
Yeah.
you know?
Oh wow. And how much are these ones?
It's like $1 a piece.
Okay.
$3 for them.
Okay.
So cute.
Perfect. We'll take all 3. I'll keep these separate because we're at 25 right there.
25 than these.
What
Did you want for The Walking Dead?
The Walking Dead and the Life Games and the Disney thing there. Do you have a price on that stuff?
$2.
Okay. So this is good. Okay.
$5 for games, $2 for that thing.
Okay. So this is 5. So we were at 25.
That was 25 with what
25.
you had
So
in
20.
each
All right.
state.
This is gonna be
So
20.
what?
26 right here because you said $1 each and then 2. So that's 26.
Oh.
And
What
then
did you want for The Walking Dead thing, honey?
let me move it for you.
What's in there? Oh, all this stuff?
I guess it was a Walking Dead supply box or
Yeah,
something.
that was my supply drop. This is not Walking Dead. That's a video game.
No, that's Walking. Is that Walking Dead?
No, it's a.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I didn't know you put that in there.
No, that was actually in the box. I thought it was actually. I actually thought it was a Walking Dead game at first.
No. Oh, it's this charger. I don't know. $5 for that.
Okay. So we were at 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, it's 29. We're just trying to keep it simple math. How much you want on that?
And that's when my camera died. But you guys didn't really miss much. We added the video game and added the camera. I think the total came out to like $160 for everything. One of the best deals of the day. Tons of great stuff. But then we went next door because their neighbors were having a garage sale, and this one was just as good.
Is it I see?
How you doing? You made purses, right?
I have done purses,
You
but
painted-
this is not my painting. Though.
Okay, but you painted a purse before.
have done-
We were here one year and you did a friend's purse?
Yes.
I bought that.
Okay.
That's interesting.
This is
Stranger Things.
someone else painted it.
Yeah.
And I tell you what, I used to fit in it, and not anymore.
These are super cool.
I know.
Stranger
someone-
Things.
And I feel like when new season comes, that would be something to wear. You're skinny enough, you can fit in it. Yes. I know.
I'm gonna give you $5. It's too interesting not to buy that thing.
Listen, I'm telling you, it is. And someone did a great job on it.
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah, your purse was a big hit, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when people saw it, they're like, "Oh, that's so cool." Yeah.
I have another one laying somewhere, but I'm gonna paint some more. Like
Yeah.
whatever is up and up now.
You do good work. Keep it up. Does the scanner work?
It works in the software. You need to find the software.
But bucket's worth a try.
Both of them are working.
I'll give you $1 for the for the printer, the scanner. I mean.
Just we need to find the software for it.
And I have it working 2017 iMac.
And I have a subwoofer.
My husband just updated it. I mean, it works. It's just, you
What
know,
about for
it's
Jalen?
old.
The
It's old.
Subwoofer, and the subwoofer. No?
No
Hold on,
subwoofer.
subwoofer,
What
don't
about
sell the
the remote
subwoofer.
control for your garage door?
No, we were good on that one. Thank you, though. This is I'll take here. Let me move this right here for right now.
This one or this one? Whichever one you like.
Yeah, that one is. What's up?
There's a computer for Jayla.
Yeah. So all you have to do is just hook up keyboard to that, the computer.
Here, Chris, where's my
The mouse?
husband? Come on, talk to the
Husband!
talk to him about
Husband, you've been
about
paged.
Yes.
So we're
Keyboard mouse.
okay.
I reset it to factory. So
Okay. All right. I'll give you $20 for it, man.
No, I'll use it up till like a week, guys. Keep going.
All right. I had to stop. I saw the lemonade stand, and you got that fun dips and some snacks. I'll take one lemonade, please. How much are the snacks?
$1.
$1. Get some. That's good lemonade. Thank you.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you.
Here's your tip for your hard work.
Oh, nice.
Here's your tip. You're welcome.
Better, thanks.
Yep. All right. You have a good day, man.
All right, let's talk about the garage sale that had all the Disney popcorn buckets. Now, for those who don't know, I live probably like an hour and 15 minutes from Disney. So I come across a lot of Disney stuff, probably more than most of you guys will at garage sales. A lot of people don't know that some of these popcorn buckets are park exclusives, so you can only get them at the park. And it's actually a great deal. If you buy the popcorn bucket, they give you like $1.99 to refill it. So people buy them, they bring back and stuff like that. But we ended up getting, I think, like 15 or 16 popcorn buckets for $5 a piece. Some of these are gonna go for 15 bucks. Some of these are gonna go for 20 bucks. There's a couple rare ones in here that might go for $50+. So we're gonna do really, really good on this lot. Not to mention my wife got a bunch of ears that she's gonna keep. I think at the whole stack of it, we had got a stack of like 10 or 12 ears, and she's gonna keep like six to 8 of them. And then the other couple we're gonna end up selling on Dibdit during our live auction. Just when I thought things couldn't get any better, we walked next door to the neighbor's house. They were also having a garage sale, and we found some killer items there. Walked up, I saw those Stranger Things shorts. They're hand painted. That's just super cool. With Stranger Things just dropping right now for the last season, I had to pick those up. I think I'll move those real fast. They only wanted $5 for them. So I just could not leave those behind. They're just too cool of an item. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys ever just pick up items because they're just too cool, you don't want to leave them behind? Let me know what's the last thing that you picked up that you just thought was, you didn't care if you make money on it, you didn't care what the cost was, you just wanted to pick it up because you did not want to leave it behind because it's just too cool of an item. Two things we got there that were super cool. One is the Epson scanner. Now, usually I don't buy scanners, but the reason I bought the scanner, it's a V600. I actually own that scanner. That's a specialized scanner that I would use for comic books, sports cards, to scan those. That thing goes for like, I think brand new, like $500 or $600. I haven't looked at it in a while. I bought one years ago, but even the used ones right now are going for like $200 to $300. For $1, that is an absolute steal. You cannot beat that. Then on top of that, they had the old Mac desktop. They only wanted $20 for that. My stepson is a junior in high school. He has an old laptop. We were literally gonna buy him a new laptop, and then we came across that. He only needs it to use it for school and on the internet. It works great. Like, that thing works great for 20 bucks. It's gonna get us through this year and next year for him. So when he goes off to college, we're gonna get him like a laptop or something, but you can't beat that, $20. This is why I love garage sales, because you never know what you're gonna find. You never know the stuff that you can actually get for yourself and to flip and resell. So it's a win-win across the board. Some of these items I will be running this Sunday night live on Dibdit. I will be going live at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday night. And I'm starting a ton of items at $1. I have a bunch of Disney items, a bunch of lounge flies. I'm gonna be running some horror movie items, action figures, stuff brand new in the package, Star Wars. You guys do not wanna miss that. Ton of collectibles, video games, other stuff. I'll put a link down in the description down below, so go check that out this Sunday. Come hang out with me. You don't have to buy anything, but cool just to hang out. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. It really means a lot to me. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe so you guys do not miss any of the upcoming videos that we're dropping. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.